How to add lower thirds in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, lower thirds are the text which appear at the bottom part of your screen in the video. Now to add them, simply open up CapCut on a device. Now simply tap on new project, then select the video and tap on add. Now at the bottom menu simply tap on text. Now scroll to the right and tap on text template. Now select title. Now select the title template. Now tap on the text box. Now type the text. Now adjust the position and simply tap on export. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.